Here's a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. Adventure is still a part of your life. It just has a little different meaning now, and this Grand Caravan is the perfect tool for it. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, remote engine start, leather steering wheel, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. New car test drive rights, the Dodge Grand Caravan offers amazing versatility with one of the most convenient cabins in its class. The flexible seating, abundance of storage space, and impressive entertainment options can make life easier for busy owners. Power, performance, passion, Dodge. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
At Alma Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram, we treat you like family. We're conveniently located at 2280 West Monroe Road in Alma.